I just did 2 pounds of bacon, and this is how I save the bacon fat. Put in a Ziplock bag inside out. And the temperature of my fat is 73 degrees. I use my electronic thermometer out of curiosity. And that is what 73-degree bacon fat looks like. You could cook with this, or you don't want to throw it out, just throw it in the freezer, save it, and then give it to somebody that's got an animal. Cat, dog, they go nuts for this. Seriously. I hear some people do French toast and use bacon fat instead of butter or oil, but that's how you save it. If you want to see what it looks like in the fridge, once you refrigerate it, it gets real hard. It's like butter consistency, but still malleable. Somebody's going to be happy.